In this video, I am going to show you how you can download the text document related to your AdSense or YouTube earnings. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to open a browser and then we have to go this URL adsense.google.com, and once we are there we'll see sign in or sign up button. We just need to log in our account by pressing this button. Once I clicked the sign in button, it is giving us the option to put my username and password. I just need to log in my account. You also have to do the same thing. Once our account is logged in successfully, then we'll see this type of user interface. On the left side, we'll see different options are there or different menu items are there. To download the text document, at first we need to come to this section, payment. If we click here, it will be expanded, and there are two options are there. If we scroll, we will see payment information and verification check. These two options are there. We just need to go to this option which is called payment information. Once we click on payment information, then we'll see this type of information. So we have to scroll till we find settings are there. So here I see the settings, and immediately after that we have the option manage settings. We just need to click here to access the manage settings. I'm going to click here. Once we are in this page, then we have to scroll till we find this information section is there. United States tax information, and next to it there is a pencil icon. What we need to do, we just need to click this pencil icon. I'm going to click here, and then we'll find manage tax information is there. We just need to click one more time over here to access our tax document. I'm going to click manage tax information, this link. Now from this page we'll see the text year. We just need to choose the year for which we want to download the tax document. I'm going to choose this year, which is 2025, and then here we see a small table where there is the date issued, that means in which date this document is issued for this year, and the document 1099-MISC. To download it, we just need to click here, and very shortly it will be downloaded on our computer. And that's it. In this way we can easily download the text document from our YouTube account or Google AdSense account.